Good morning students. Myself Pankaj Kumar and today we'll study computer. In last video we had seen computer memory and its type, that is internal memory, where we understood the use of RAM and ROM. Today we will discuss about external memory and its type. So let's start. So an external memory is the storage space that is available outside the CPU. That means memory device which we can use from outside the CPU. That is called external memory. It also known as auxiliary memory, secondary memory or secondary storage. Here we can store data, document or other file permanently for future use. Once we store data, we can use any time. Whether it is 1 year later, 2 year later, 5 year later, unless we delete the data. Understood? So it store the information permanently. When we save our data with the help of save option, it gets saved in secondary storage device. That is also called external memory. Understood? So a computer require main memory for processing. We have studied in last video, as computer require main memory for processing, the same way it require one secondary memory inside the CPU box to store the data. Okay, one secondary storage memory inside the CPU box to store data. Understood? Now here we have types of external memory. First one, hard disk. Second, compact disk. Third, digital versatile disk. Fourth one, thumb drive. Thumb drive is also called pen drive. SD card and micro SD card. Next, floppy disk. And the last, cloud storage. This cloud storage is not mentioned in your book, but we have to study because this is the new storage technique. Okay, so let's see one by one. So here we have hard disk. Hard disks are of two types: internal hard disk or external hard disk. In this slide we will study about internal hard disk. So hard disk is the most important external memory device. Now the question is, why hard disk is called most important external memory device? Because hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. Once again, hard disk is fixed inside the CPU box. While working in a program, the CPU uses RAM for processing. When we save the file, it is copied from RAM to hard disk. That's why hard disk is most important external memory device. Understood? It is more reliable than other secondary storage devices and available with computer system. The capacity of hard disk that start with 500 GB. Hard disk was introduced by IBM in the year 1956. Okay, so I hope you understood the internal hard disk. Here we have external hard disk. So it is portable external memory storage device. Now portable external memory storage device. Portable, that means the device which we can carry from one place to another place. Okay, and we can use it other system. So it can be used to store. The goal is same, to store the data. Okay, it can be used to store data, documents, file, picture, etc. Okay, that can be accessed any time. It is connected to the computer system with a single high-speed cable, usually with plug and play interfaces such as USB. USB stand for Universal Serial Bus. As you can see on the screen, this is the external hard disk and this is the cable. With the help of this cable, we can connect this external hard disk as well as CPU. Okay, understood? Children, for today this much only. Next day we'll see other types of external memory. So today we have seen external memory, where we studied internal hard disk and external hard disk. So children, what is external memory? An external memory is the memory space that is available outside the CPU is called external memory. Okay, it can store data, document, other file permanently. Now what is hard disk? The hard disk is most important external memory device of computer which is used to store data. Okay, it is of two type: internal hard disk, external hard disk. Where internal hard disk fixed inside the CPU box, and external hard disk we can use from outside. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.